I am midway through studying right now, but I thought that we could go through yesterday's price action and why I chose not to take a trade and just review the day on gold and Nasdaq. So yeah, let's start straight away. I obviously didn't take a trade. I did post my analysis for the day. I didn't have literally anything. Like, I had my positions marked up, but I wanted to see more movement than there was. So looking at gold, obviously this is current price action for these days today, but we're looking at these 3 sessions here. So we saw that price had obviously hit this point, made a low, it broke past these lows. I don't use this as an indication because to me that's not really a strong indication, because if you look here, hold on, we're going here. So say we, because obviously we broke this level here. Okay, we broke this level here. This is just a massive wick, to be honest. And then on the 4 hour, of course, it's gonna look completely different. Like, I don't even know where you wanna. Oh wait, look at the daily. We're on the daily right now. I was like, wait, where are my sessions? But this is yesterday. You can see that there was not very much price movement in terms of the open and the close, and then price had made this high here. So this is the leg that we were looking at yesterday, and I basically was like, I want to see it break this high or this low, or form a high low. Whatever it chooses to do, I'm happy with, but it didn't choose to do anything, so that's cool. But yeah, so it didn't have very much movement here, which is, it's okay. But then if you move on to the 1 hour, even taking an entry on the 1 hour, this is just a very long wick, and then you've also got to take into consideration what the 4 hour looks like. I know this is the previous day, but I'm more taking this into consideration, say if we were to enter an Asia session. But then even Asia and London, they made these equal lows here. We never broke through and made another indication. We kind of just chopped around this range on gold, so it was really, yeah, it was just a useless day for gold. And I feel like gold has been like this, and it's starting to get on my nerves, but it's okay, it's fine. So for Nasdaq is, I believe, bearish at the moment. Yeah, it's bearish at the moment. So it never ended up breaking these highs here yesterday. I kind of didn't want to see price continue to push up. I saw, I think, this movement here, and I was like, okay, I want to see price head back down to make a new indication below this level. But we never got that. We never ended up getting that. I think maybe I even had this low marked out, and I wanted to see a continuation below this level and to potentially take sells from below this level. But yeah, we obviously, it's not that we didn't get that, but we got this curve here. I want to see price continue from this point. It didn't. It ended up pushing up in London and then dumping in New York, and it was just such a strong dump that it dumped, got below this level, and I was like, oh, like this isn't going to be good to trade because of the movement that it's had. Like, I knew that I was most likely going to have to wait until the next day to get a good retracement. So yeah, I just think the movements yesterday were not that great. I don't know if anyone got any trades. Like, maybe some people took the shorts on this, but that's just not my strategy. But I mean, yeah, that was basically it. Unfortunately, I don't have too much to say about yesterday. It was honestly it just wasn't a good day for price action, and that's fine. It's been not the best for price action on gold, so I'm not shocked there. On Nasdaq, I'm actually not mad that I didn't get the trade yesterday, because it's just given me the perfect setup for today or for later on. Well, I can't say later on in the week because it's Friday now, but it was Thursday when it made this push. So yeah, maybe even next week I could give a great setup, but it's made the push down into the direction that I was looking for it to go to. So I was looking for it to push down because we've got obviously this bearish movement here. So I'm not mad. I'm not upset. I'm actually pretty happy about that. Let's go to my journaling because we can't forget to journal. Hello. Okay. Honestly, I'm really proud of myself at the way I've continuously journaled. I haven't stopped journaling. I think doing these videos helps me stay accountable for sure, but then it's also I just want to be better at trading, so I'm obviously going to journal. But yeah, it's making me happy. Set up observed none, no opportunity or no setup. Obviously we didn't take a trade. Gold, none. Price was choppy. Emotions before and after sessions was calm. Calm, cool, collected, to be honest. I saw the price movements and I was just like, if my alert gets hit, then we can look at some entering in on some positions. But if none of my levels are broken or it's not come to my point of interest, then it's whatever. Like, it's totally fine. And yeah, like I'm happy with being patient and staying out of potentially losing trades, like what's it called? A neutral P&L or not taking a trade is better than losing a trade, in my opinion, if you're following your plan. Like if you've obviously taken a loss and you're following your plan, then it's totally fine. But I just rather have a loss. I'd rather take no trades than try and force an entry in the market conditions that aren't well suited for my strategy. Yeah. So yeah, I did follow my plan. Mistake. Let's actually look. What was I looking for? I think I was talking about this low here. I think I was waiting for a full correction and continuation on this low here. Actually no. I think I might have. Did I have the bias for? Yeah, I had a bullish bias. I guess that makes sense because I had these high lows here, so I was looking for a bullish bias. I was looking for price to make this move, pull back in, and push back up, but yeah, I didn't get that. But even with like the updated price action of what price actually did, even if I wanted to take sells, partials wasn't ready for me, and that's okay. So yeah, I stuck to my plan there, and then what were we waiting on? New ICC or zone to zone entry. So I just didn't see anything for gold. That's fine. Mistakes noticed, none except not doing daily routine. Discipline ratings are 9. Key takeaways. What would my key takeaways be? Sometimes price doesn't want to work, and that's okay. Because that's actually how I feel. What I'll do better tomorrow? Be as patient as I was today. Let's just say like today, as in like if I did my analysis yesterday. We'll do that. Screenshot. Gosh, this was such a quick trade recap, and it does make me like happy that it's quick because it goes to show like, because I really was not, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, was not in the mood because I'm studying right now and I freaking love being able to sit down and study trading. Like, I actually love it because usually during the week I'm working, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. If I'm not working like my job, then I'm what do you call it? I'm working for my marketing clients. Like, it's very rare that I get to just chill and study for as long as I want to, so I really was not wanting to stop my studying to do this trade recap, but I'm glad that I did it. And yeah, take this as your sign to do those things that you really don't want to do, even though you know you should do them. Like journaling your no trade days, honestly, and analyzing instead of instead of just looking at the charts and being like, yeah, it's not that good, or instead of looking at the charts and drawing a few boxes and lines without having an understanding of what's going on. Like, I actually can't remember where I was going with my next sentence, but like, this is your sign. This is your sign to do the things that you know you should be doing, like marking up your chart, journaling I think journaling my analysis has helped me so much in staying accountable with my plan, with remembering, with just everything, just having an understanding. Like, it's definitely helped so much. So take this as your sign to do that. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing night. I hope you guys have had an amazing trading week. Did I take any trades? I think I actually did. Let's have a look. Can show you guys a little teaser of my spreadsheet. Yes, I took this trade. This was my only trade of the week, I think. Wait, hold on. It's my only trade of the week. I had to check to see if the 14th was included in this week, but this is the only trade I took this week. I won the trade, so happy with that. But yeah, I hope you guys have had an amazing week, and I look forward to speaking to you guys later in the weekend. And yeah, I wish you guys all the best, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.